I ordered the best selling smartwatch on Amazon. This costs 30 euros a piece and has over 86,000 ratings on Amazon. So why are people ordering this? So let's check out the Colorfit Pro 2. Alright, as you can see, we get a pretty standard looking smartwatch with no fancy features. This one right here has a 1.33 inch LCD full color touch display with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixel. We have one physical side button that turns on and off the display and rubber straps with a quick release feature. So you can actually upgrade this watch and attach any other strap to it. This watch also only weighs in at 35 grams, which is super light, and the reason for it being so light is the plastic case. As well as this watch is IP68 waterproof and is compatible with iOS and Android smartphones. So enough of that boring specs, and let's see what this watch has to offer feature-wise. By default, you have 5 different watch faces that you can choose from. Just long press the home screen and swipe up and down to go through your watch faces. But over in the Noisefit app, you will find many more watch faces that you can download and use on your smartwatch. You get a pretty large variation of digital, analog watch faces, but also some funny, minimalistic and art-like watch faces. You can even have your own custom watch face if you want to. Just take a picture with your smartphone's camera or choose a picture that you have in your picture gallery and use this one as your new background. The only complaint I have about this is that you only have like 7 watch faces on your smartwatch at all times, and it seems like the 5 watch faces that you have by default will always stay, and you basically only have 2 free spots to play with. Alright, if you swipe down from the home screen, we see all of our daily stats like the steps, mileage, and your burned calories, and a summary of your week. Swiping down takes you to all of your notifications. You basically receive messages and notifications from all of your apps, but you can also turn off apps over in the Noisefit app, just as a little side note. Now, even though it says enabled, you still have to click on the app notifications and toggle on the app notifications on the next page. But since we are still talking about a budget smartwatch, you cannot reply to any messages. So if you swipe right from your home screen, you get to a quick panel with your D&D mode, your heart rate, Find My Phone, and the lift to wake feature. And swiping left gets you to all of your apps. First up, the sport modes. All in all, you have 8 different workouts to choose from: running, walking, cycling and hiking, climbing, treadmill, yoga, and workouts, which you can use for basically everything else. During your workouts, you get the mileage, heart rate, time, you get your burned calories, steps, pace, and speed, which is actually really a lot for a budget smartwatch. On other smartwatches in that price region, you normally only get a step counter, heart rate, and the time, and maybe the mileage. So this one is doing pretty good in comparison. So more features that you get on the Colorfit Pro 2 is a 24/7 heart rate tracker. You get an alarm, guided breathing sessions between 1 and 2 minutes, the usual stopwatch, a music player with which you can control your smartphone's music. So you can skip a track, go back a track, play and pause. And as for last, you can check out all of your latest workouts. That works on the watch, but also over in the Noisefit app. I think the Noisefit app is one of the best apps that you have for budget smartwatches. Syncing the watch with the apps is pretty fast, plus you have a good and clear overview of all of your stats and latest workouts. Even though you don't see it on the watch, but the watch also keeps track of your sleep. It tracks your heart rate during the night and tracks your light and deep sleep, REM, and awake time. And you can check out all of your stats from the last week, month, and year. But that also applies to all of the other health stats. It also connects to your Apple Health, which I really like a lot, and the battery of this watch really lasts a very long time. I've had this watch on my wrist for the last week, and I'm not even down 25%. Alright, before we end this video, there are just 3 things that you really have to know about this watch, which are really not that great. First up, you get a huge black bezel all around the watch, which takes away quite a bit of your display. This watch does have some lags every once in a while, and it's really not that responsive. Sometimes you have to turn off and on the display to kind of do a soft reset, and then the touch plate works again. And guys, that's all it for today. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for my channel for more daily content. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one. Peace.